What's up, YouTube? Jeff, your Style O.G. And on today's video, we're going to talk about how to rock that suede bomber jacket. If you're new to the channel, we release a new video every day at 4 p.m. Eastern, discussing various men's lifestyle topics such as style, grooming, and dating. I invite you to subscribe and tap that notification bell and join us. And to my returning friends like Hyper Warrior, salute. Now, without a doubt, hands down, one of the most enduring, classic, and timeless style of jackets is a bomber jacket. I mean, this is the type of jacket that looks good on anybody. I mean, it looks good on younger guys, older guys, and everybody in between. Only one small thing I noticed that I might want to see change just a little bit. Most guys wear bomber jackets that are very casual. Nothing wrong with the casual bomber. But every once in a while, I think you can step it up and elevate your bomber jacket game just a little bit. So how does one do that? Mainly by the choice of the material or the fabric that the bomber is made of. Now, most of the time, the bombers guys are rocking are usually made of nylon, polyester, and occasionally leather. But today, I'm here to suggest you take it up one more notch and grab your suede bomber jacket. Now, there's something about a suede bomber jacket, or any suede jacket for that matter, that elevates your game a little bit. Gives it a little more sophistication, a little more class, and makes your outfit a little dressy. So in today's video, what I want to do is show you how you can elevate your bomber game a little bit by rocking the suede bomber. In particular, a brown suede bomber. Now the brown suede bomber I'm rocking today, fortunately I picked this one up for only 50 bucks. Guy had worn it once or twice, caught it on grail. So although suede can be a little costly, do a little research, you might come up on a bargain like I did. Now the reason why I love a brown suede bomber is the richness of the brown elevates your style. Earth tones match a lot of different colors, and I like a little sophistication that the richness of the brown gives you. So in today's video, what I'm going to do is show you 3 different looks with this same brown suede bomber, showing how you can rock it with jeans, chinos, and your occasional trousers, showing you how a suede bomber, and the brown suede bomber in particular, elevates your bomber game. So without further ado, let's step into this lookbook. Now for our first look today, I wanted to keep it a little rugged and show you that the brown suede bomber jacket goes very well with some chinos. Now as you can see here, I took a nice otherwise simple look and elevated with this suede jacket. What I did was throw on my navy chinos, a simple white Henley, and my Clark desert boots, my favorite Chuck. Now on their own, this will probably come across as a very simple outfit, but the brown suede jacket elevates it. And on top of that, to me, one of the great colors to match with brown is always your blue. Now with this outfit, you might have worn a regular bomber jacket made of a different material. But the brown suede jacket gives a little more class, a little dressiness, and makes it look oh so smooth. Now for our second look of the day, I want to show you how rocking a brown suede bomber can step up an ordinary monochromatic look. As you can see here, this time, I have all gray on, only broken up by some simple white sneakers. I got on my favorite gray trousers and a nice gray crew neck sweater. And of course, finishing the outfit off, I've got my white Stan Smiths. Now, ordinarily, this would be an okay outfit, but throwing that brown suede bomber on it ties everything together. And one of the keys here, brown and gray, deadly combination, works every time. Put it all together, a nice, cool, casual, sophisticated outfit. Now for our third look of the day, I wanted to step it up in the dressiness even another notch and give you what I think will look great on a fall date night. As you can see this time, we paired the brown suede jacket with some good old dark denim, the best jeans to dress up. Match it with a nice navy V-neck sweater, giving it almost another monochromatic look, but we're breaking the monochrome tones up with a nice white dress shirt. Then we're finishing the look off with, to me, is one of the sexiest shoes you can rock, those double monk strap shoes. Once again, this outfit highlights just how well brown and navy interplay with one another. Put it all together, this outfit is smooth, sophisticated, and sexy, and one I think will definitely catch your date's eye on a crisp fall night. Okay, so there you have it. My lookbook of 3 different looks on how to rock a nice brown suede bomber. Let me know in the comment section which look was your favorite. As always, I hope you enjoyed the video. If so, hit that like button. Helps the channel to grow. And of course, tap that notification bell so you don't miss any of the videos we release every day at 4 p.m. Eastern. And I'll meet you here tomorrow.